Well, everyone, the Oura ring is one of those types of rings that you can basically go through and pick up. They're available all over the place, and if you're watching this, you may have just picked up your own Oura ring, and you might be trying to figure out exactly how to go ahead and use it. Now, it's pretty easy for the most part. There's nothing really crazy going on. The first thing is to kind of recognize the outside and the outer layer of an Oura ring. So with the outside, you'll have your colors that you can choose from, all those things. The inside is what makes up all the components and what tracks your steps, your health, your heart rate, all those things. That's basically what goes on here. To place the ring on, you can basically just go through and just kind of put it on as you normally would with any ring. Now you can put it on your ring finger, whatever ring you really want to put it on. So that's kind of how you do it. Now to charge your Oura ring, it's a very basic process. So to charge it, what you're going to want to do is to find the dedicated charger that you have within the box. So within the box, you'll have this little type of charger that you have, you should be able to have it somewhere. And all it's going to do is it's going to give you this type of charging area. So you'll have a little light right here, and you'll have a USB Type-C port on the other side. So to charge your Oura ring, you'll have to plug in one side into the actual Oura, into the USB-C port. So just like this, I have my USB Type-C port here. I will go ahead and plug it in. And on the other side, I will have my Oura ring. So now what I can do is I can just kind of place this along the side here, and it should click in. There's one way that it just clicks in just like this, and it will basically go through and just plug it in, and you will start charging your Oura ring. So that's basically how you charge it. Now to connect your Oura ring to an iPhone or Android or whatever you have, you will have to download the Oura ring application. So if you go ahead and make your way over into your Apple App Store or your Google Play Store, whatever you have, you will be able to find this particular application right here that says Oura. So in order to connect these two, you'll have to download this particular application. So open up the Oura Ring application, and it's going to start suggesting you to actually create an account. So you can tap on Start, and then you can go ahead and type in your email. So in this case, I will go ahead and just start typing in my email that I use. And after typing in your email, you'll be able to go through and you'll be able to create your account. So it's allowing me right now to basically create my account. It's going to probably take some time. So it says, we'll create your account with this email. So confirm it's correct. Okay, yes. And then after going through, you want to agree with everything here that they're basically telling you to. So agree to everything. It says connect your Oura ring. So now it's telling us to go through and connect our Oura ring to our application. So you have to make sure your Oura ring is powered on and is basically connected via this charger. So place your Oura ring on the charger, place it on the charging dock, and then make sure the wire is also connected to it as well. So when you're ready, you can go ahead and click on the connect button at the bottom, and you want to allow your Bluetooth notifications. So now, after a few moments, it's going to find the ring that's around you, just like this, and then we're going to be able to tap on it, and then it's going to be able to allow us to pair up our Oura ring. So follow the on-screen instructions, make sure everything there is good. And then it says we'll email, a link. They're going to set up something for a membership. So this is where you have to go through and basically sign up for a membership for your Oura ring. Now it is a little unfortunate because it's not free, but after setting up your membership, that is going to be basically how you go through and start using your Oura ring. And within the Oura ring application, that is going to be how you kind of, use your Oura ring, how you track your Oura ring and even use it in the first place. So you'll see this type of app, you can go and open it up, and then you can go and set it up this way. Now you might be in some situations where for some reason, your Oura ring just isn't working. So this basically means that your Oura ring that you basically have, no matter what you're doing, either it's not working or it's not working out right. There's a lot of things that can end up happening here. So to troubleshoot this, the very first thing I'd recommend doing is to just go through and just make sure that your particular Oura ring, that there's no problems with its power. So make sure that it's fully powered on and there's no issues with that. So what you can do here is to go through, find your Oura ring charger like this, and go ahead, place it back on the charger as you normally would, and then you'll be able to go through and use your Oura ring with its charger, and that's a really easy first step that I'd recommend kind of thinking about. So that right there would be a really easy thing, and that's another really, really good way to do it. Another thing is to just clean out the sensors that's within it. So within the ring itself, go through in the sensor part that you have here, and just try your best of cleaning out those sensors. That's another really easy thing you can do here too. And by cleaning out the sensors, that's going to basically go through and kind of fix and address that type of problem as well, hopefully for you as well. Now, if that's not working, you can also probably try repairing it or reconnecting it to the Oura Ring application. So if you're able to go through and place it back inside of the Oura Ring application, and you can also just kind of double check it, see if there's any problems here. That's another thing. Make sure you have your membership signed up and all those things. So that is basically how you use your Oura Ring. It's not super crazy hard, difficult to understand. All you have to do is just kind of take it out of the box every once in a while, put it on your ring finger, and you'll also have to make sure you charge it every once in a while too, because it's not, it doesn't have unlimited battery life. But place it on the charger, and then you should be good to go for the most part. So that's how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.